Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from MacBook to iPhone using a cable. First, open your or take your charging cable, connect your iPhone to MacBook. If messages appear on your iPhone, tap Trust this computer. Now on your MacBook, find or open Finder. In the left sidebar, click on the iPhone name under Location. At the top, you will see tabs like Music, Movies, Photos and Files. Select the type of data you want to transfer to your iPhone. Choose the file or folder you want to send to your iPhone. You can drag them into the windows or select them from your Mac. Now click the scan button at the top right. Wait for the transfer to finish. Do not unplug the cable during this step. Once scan is complete, your file will appear on your iPhone. That's how you transfer data from MacBook to iPhone using a cable. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.